So let us try MySQL connector using Python. Start PC and type cmd in search. Click to bring the command prompt. The visual explanation of the same. We need to locate where pip is within Python subdirectory. Pip is a tool for installing and managing Python packages. Once we have located pip, we can go to the appropriate subdirectory by writing the dos command from the dos prompt as shown. Type the following to install MySQL connector. The command for installing pip is shown. If installation is successful, you will get an appropriate message. Once MySQL connector is successfully installed, we can give all the common database commands from Python. The select user command shows the user and the host. We can try the same in Python. For that, we have to open a new file in Python and type few lines of code. We need to type the following as exactly shown. We have given a name to the connection and it is SPC database. Method cursor is called by the connection SPC database. The same is stored in SPC car. Finally, SPC car calls the method execute. Within the parameter of the function execute, we write on the MySQL command. We can see that this MySQL command gives the same output as shown before in MySQL itself. This video demonstrates how we can use MySQL connector in Python.